Hi there, let's take a look at SoFi. We'll cover the weekly market structure, check out the short-term trend, so you can learn how to assess the risk of next price move, even if you're new to chart analysis. From a big picture perspective, SoFi is currently in a sideways stage of the market cycle. The price is currently around the somewhere between the top and the center of the sideways channel. So you can consider the orange key level of $20 as the channel top, and the blue line $15 as the channel bottom. You see this range, right? It has been bouncing between this range since February this year, and the center is somewhere around the $17 line. So that's why I said it's slightly higher than the middle, but not very close to the top either. And remember, this is education content only, not financial advice. The key resistance right now is $18.20. Okay, last week, the bulls were able to defend this. You see the long wick from the bottom. Okay, but this week, it has already dropped below the red line. There's still a little bit of time left. Let's see whether the bulls can reclaim the land. And the next support level, the key level, is $17, this purple line over here. Okay, now let's get to the micro view while the sideways seems to be continuing. Here, we talked about this rising channel and falling channel, and we said, okay, around the 12th, there is a chance where the bulls and bears will confirm whether this downtrend will continue. And they confirmed that it's not continuing. They climbed back to 18.2 just to get declined by the previous uptrend support. You see 3 consecutive days, yesterday, even today. All right, the bulls tried, but they all failed. 5 days. All right, and they kept coming back over the past 3 days, including today, to retest this 17.75 intermediate or short-term level. If you look across here, there are a lot of trading days ending up finding support or resistance along this yellow dash line. So that's where it is coming back to. So the volatility or the spread is definitely increasing. However, the volume isn't really. So it has been staying around average or even lower than average if you count from June. Right? So here, there's no particular uptrend or downtrend as of this moment. It's basically sideways between the 17.75 to 19.09. Not until it breaks one of those levels, then we can see the change of trend. Okay, so if we zoom out, even if we zoom out, it is still pretty much the sideways between $15 to $20. That's the case since February this year. It hasn't really gone outside of this medium-term trend yet. Right, this is a half-year range while we are trying to look at the shorter term. Okay, let me know in the comment whether you think this will turn into a downtrend, breaking the 17.75, coming to challenge the purple support, because in the past few rounds, after reaching a point close to the orange key level, they tend to come back to challenge the lower levels. Or do you think this is not over yet? Okay, this is like a consolidation, and it is going to go challenge the $20 line. Let me know in the comments. Remember to subscribe to see the next update. Thank you.